Yo, what's up everyone? It's Jim. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI that helps you level up your networking game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you definitely want to stick around for this one dot. But before we dive in, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. First up, we're kicking things off with Hunter.io, a game changer for finding the right people to connect with. Imagine this. You're trying to get in touch with someone at a specific company, but tracking down their email feels impossible. Hunter.io swoops in and saves the day by providing you with verified email addresses based on the company domain. But wait, there's more. Hunter.io also helps you find job titles, social media profiles, and phone numbers. It's like having a superpowered digital detective working for you. One of the things I love about Hunter.io is its clean and intuitive interface. Just type in the company domain and boom. Hunter.io does the heavy lifting for you, presenting you with a list of verified contacts in seconds. And the best part, Hunter.io offers a free plan that's perfect for individuals or small businesses just starting out. Next up on our list, we've got Clearbit, and this one is all about laser-focused targeting. Clearbit is like the Sherlock Holmes of the B2B world, using advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze massive amounts of data and identify your ideal customers. It digs deep into a company's online presence, looking at website traffic, social media activity, hiring patterns, and more. It then uses this information to build detailed company profiles and identify key decision makers. No more wasting time on contacts that aren't a good fit for your product or service. Clearbit helps you zero in on the companies and individuals who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. And it gets even better. Clearbit integrates seamlessly with popular CRM and marketing automation platforms, so you can easily enrich your existing contact lists and automate your outreach efforts. All right, moving on to our third contender, we've got ZoomInfo, a powerhouse for businesses looking to scale their outreach and crush their sales goals. ZoomInfo boasts one of the most comprehensive B2B databases out there, packed with millions of verified contacts and company profiles. But it's not just about quantity. ZoomInfo is all about quality data, so you can be confident that you're reaching out to the right people. One of the things that sets ZoomInfo apart is its focus on intent data. What's intent data? It's information that tells you which companies are actively researching products or services like yours. Imagine knowing that a particular company has been checking out your website or reading your blog posts. ZoomInfo gives you those insights so you can prioritize your outreach and strike while the iron is hot. Now let's talk about Lusha. This tool is all about simplicity and ease of use without compromising on powerful features. Whether you're a solopreneur, part of a small team, or working in a larger organization, Lusha has you covered. One of the first things you'll notice about Lusha is its clean and intuitive interface. It's super easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech-savvy person. But don't let that fool you. Lusha is packed with features. You can use it to find verified email addresses, phone numbers, and social media profiles for prospects. They offer a variety of pricing plans to fit different needs and budgets. And they even have a free tier that gives you a taste of what Lusha can do. And if you're working with a team, you'll love Lusha's collaboration features. Last but definitely not least, we've got Leadfeeder, and this one's a little different from the others. Leadfeeder is all about uncovering hidden opportunities on your website and turning those anonymous visitors into valuable leads. Leadfeeder integrates with your Google Analytics account and uses IP addresses to identify the companies visiting your website. It then gives you valuable information about those companies, like their industry, size, location, and even their behavior on your site. Imagine seeing that a company you've been targeting has been browsing your pricing page or reading case studies about your product. Leadfeeder gives you those insights so you can prioritize your outreach and strike while the iron is hot. And last but now least, there is a new company called Onpassive, which will be relaunching soon. I hear it's the best one of them all and definitely worth checking out. So there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that can completely transform the way you generate targeted contacts. Drop a comment down below and let me know which tool you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. For more information about OnPassive and finding targeted traffic, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.